boop!
Mark my words, this love will make you levitate like a bird, like a bird.
You did a stoppie?
Yeah, stop someone getting coffee or something.
Are you cold?
What?
Are you cold?
Cold?
Cold.
Well, no, hands are,
Yeah, my hands are frozen.
Yeah.
Shall we go to the supermarket?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, you go ahead then.
I don't know where it is.
You cunt. Big sign to say superstore. David Camp, you're on drugs. Who's that then? Claudia Schiffer? Fucking Pam Ayers? We can park anywhere, right? We're on motorbikes. Here, watch. Totally can. Totally can, watch. Why not? Of course I can. Just dead, look. Then, you don't care if we park here, right? What you said minge and cunt for? Oh, how many different words are there for vaginus? Oh, it's not a jizz on my face, went through a light. It might not have been green. Wilhelmina's not a name for a vagina. Indicate, you cock jockey! No hate. No, cock jockey is not a hate crime. It's not. It's a term of endearment for... Yeah. Fucking bastard. Did you see that pigeon? They fucking rode into us. Cars are slowing up here for some reason. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't think there's anyone in it. Police aware? Fuck, did that happen? We'll fucking check and see. Yeah. We'll check and see. Can you jump off? Do you want to go and see if there's anything we can do? Slow down. Go across. Do you reckon it's done a 360 then? I can see how they've done it. They've come down there too fast. Look at the tyre tracks. Come down here. Gone that side. Locked it up. Fishtailed straight down. Put a car in a ditch on a straight road. I know where I am now. This is where Ash was peeing when I phoned you. You are a fucking rocket scientist sometimes.
How long does it take to do 80 miles if you're going 8 miles an hour?
Half a cucumber. It's not a jigsaw jizz on my face. Actually, drop it, you cunt. Just filming you doing a loser! I'm filming it. I deliberately filmed it. No, he didn't jizz on my face, dear. That's the point. Get out of my way. Where's some high vis, for fuck's sake? Where's jizz on my face going? You stick your finger in your vaginus?
A bird flew down behind my little car.
Oh, what a cunt. Okay. A rapist? Yeah, a little. Intemperate. Dude. Right. I see you already looking for a side stand. Get off it without dropping it. How do you do it then? I thought you were strong, dude. Nice. I'm gonna go for a piss. Where can I go for a piss? Good riding with you, dude. I'll chat to you later.